Okay, hi, my name is Vangie, and today we're doing another review. And I guess we can put this under health and wellness because it is something to do with something we put in our bodies. Yay! I actually recently ordered this seasoning from this company called Nero, and I'm really excited. They're a new company, but their focus is on providing. One thing they definitely made sure that this packaging was secure. Okay, won't nobody getting into this. This is no spillage or anything. Oh wow. Okay, yes. So this is from Nero. It's seasoning. So I don't know if you've been on the channel a little bit, you would know that I've been I got recently diagnosed with diabetes, and so I've chosen to not use insulin or metformin or any kind of drugs or anything to control my diabetes. I control it strictly through diet and exercise, which I've lost a total of 90 pounds so far, and I'm moving on. But one of the things that I do is just definitely, like I said, making sure that I am not consuming sugar or high amounts of it. And also I try to watch my salt intake as well. But the thing that I love about this is a sugar-free mix. This is their Haitian Dry Rub. I hope I'm saying that right. I will definitely leave the links to their website on the description of this one. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I think I'm going to do some chicken and see how my family likes it and everything. And then I'll come back and give you guys the end results on this. But I do just want to go ahead and notate that this is a vegan product. There are no animal byproducts. There are no sugar. I ordered their mild because we're wimps, but they do have hotter things, and we did order some. We are going to get some of that eventually as well. But yeah, I just can't wait. I can't wait. I will definitely come back after I finish cooking and let you guys see the finished product and tell you how it tastes, because I mean that's what we all want to know. So again, like, this is a no sugar seasoning product, because even some of your very favorites, like, I have sugar in them, like, so it's kind of hard to avoid that. So that's why it was so important for me to find an organic vendor who understood my needs. And they have a lot of stuff. You can get some sea moss, and if you're into health food, if you're into taking care of what goes into your body, I would definitely tell you to go and give them a try out their website. It's nerobayarea.com. But again, if I said that wrong, I will be adding that into the links. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video here and I'll be back after we made the food. I just cannot wait, because I've never had a Haitian Dry Rub anything, so this should be good, right?